So hello everyone, good evening. I am the reporter of Module 3 Human Act. Lesson 3 Feeling as a Modifier or Moral Decision Making. Feelings in Decision Making. Ang feelings kay emotional reactions like happiness, love, anger, fear, or warmth. Kini mga feelings is dako kayo og epekto sa atong pag-decide, especially kung moral decision kung unsay tama ug mali. Studies shows nga halos 90% sa atong decisions kay gikan sa emotions, dili sa logic. Ang logic mostly ginagamit lang para i-justify o ipakita nga sakto atong decision bisan emotional nag-unang decide. How it works. Kung naay situations, emotion ang una mo react. After ana mo follow ang thinking or logic. Example, kung makakita ka og tawo nga naglisod, ma-feel nimo ang kaluoy. Tungod ana nga feeling is mutabang ka. After ana moingon ka, nakatabang ko kay sakto man gyud ang mutabang. So mao na ang example sa logic and emotions, which is una mo act ang emotions and then ang next is logic. Are identified as follows. First is emotional decisions are typically faster than rational ones, often subconscious and useful in urgent or low-stake situations. Emotional decisions are faster than rational ones. Kung mag-decide ka based sa emotions, mas paspas siya kaysa sa pag-think deeply. Example, kung naay kalit nga danger, instinct dayon ka modagan, wala na ka mag-analyze og dugay. Emotions work like automatic response, helpful siya sa urgent or simple situations. Next is emotions help encode past experiences, enabling quick and sometimes highly accurate gut decisions, especially among experts. Emotions helps us remember past experiences. Ang emotions makatabang siya sa pag-store sa memories. Kung naka-experience ka og something bad before, ma-remember nimo ang feeling. So next time malikayan nimo. Mao na ang ginatawag nga gut feeling. Especially sa mga experts kay daghan sila og experience. So mas accurate ilang instinct. Next is even logically driven decisions often rely on emotions for the final choice when options are nearly equal. Even logically decisions still use emotions. Bisan mag-analyze ka logically, emotions gihapon ang magbuot sa final choice. Example, parehas ka og two good options, halos same sila. Sa ending, pilion nimo kung asa ka mas comfortable or happy. So emotions gihapon ang last push sa decision. Next is, however, emotions can conflict with self-interest and lead to negative outcomes. Emotions can go against self-interest. Usahay tungod sa emotions makabuhat ta og dili maayo para sa ato. So emotions can sometimes lead to negative results. Next is, people may justify poor emotional decision with rational reasons. People justify emotional decisions. After making a decisions based on emotion, maghimo ta og logical reasons nga para murag sakto ang atong gibuhat. Example, nagpalit ka kay ganahan ka, so impulse. Pero imong reason is sale man good. Logic usahay ginagamit lang para i-justify ang emotions. Next is, strong emotions can override rational thinking, causing errors, bias, and reckless actions. Strong emotions can control you. Kung grabe kayo ang kasuko, kahadlok, or excitement, dili na kayo ka makahunahuna og tarong. Pwede ka makabuhat og reckless or wrong decision. Next is, predicting future emotions is often inaccurate, which can further lead to decision-making mistakes. We are not good at predicting future feelings. Usahay magtuo ta nga kung makuha nato nga ang usa ka butang, which is ma-happy na ta forever. Pero pag naana, dili na day ingon ana ka grabe ang happiness. Mali usahay atong expectations. Moral statements as expressions of feelings. Our moral statements are values mere expressions of feeling or emotions as claimed by the linguistic philosopher. According to some linguistic philosophers called emotivists, the statement, stealing is wrong, means I desire that you do not steal. So moral statement as expressions of feelings, na ay mga philosophers nga gitawag og emotivists. Ang ilang belief kay moral statements dili daw facts. expressions lang daw ni sa atong feelings or emotions. Example, if moingon ka, stealing is wrong. Para sa emotivist, dili ni pasabot nga naagid universal law nga wrong ang stealing. Ang pasabot daw ani kay dili ko ganahan sa stealing. Gusto ko nga dili ka mangawat. So murag expressions lang ni sa imong feelings or dislike. Emotivists believe nga moral statements are expressions of feelings, dili siya factual statements. Murag nag-ingon lang ka unsay imong gusto or dili gusto, pero dili tanan philosophers mo agreean ni. Kay ang uban mo ingon nga ang moral statements na deeper meaning kaysa feelings lang. And that's all lang po. Thank you.